Hello, my dear viewers. Hello. All right. Voice is through. That was my concern. All right. Now it's good. Can you hear me properly? All right, dear viewers. Welcome again. This is Because Copy Webinars YouTube channel, and you are watching your Forex trading with Rakesh. Today is 12th of September 2023, and I'm your host here. My name is Rakesh. I'm not an employee of Because Copy Bank, but yes, I am here to share my analysis with you. Therefore, whatever I'm going to discuss here on the live stream, it has nothing to do with the Dukas Copy Bank. But yes, they are offering me to host it, but they have nothing to do with it. It's my opinion, my trading idea, my analysis, no connection with the bank. Okay. With this said, let's talk a bit about what we are going to do here in the next few minutes. Essentially, we are going to find out the key levels for all the instruments that we are going to see. And if I tell you that what are we are going to check here, that we are going to check the candlestick charts for all the major currency pairs and cryptocurrencies and Brent crude oil, then the gold, silver, and many yen crosses also. So yes, there is a lot packed into this webinar. um, I hope that the time that you devote here in this webinar will be useful. And even if you're watching the recording session, please make sure that you're watching the correct date, because you might be thinking that this is the level of interest, but it may be for different day. So for today, what is important, and tomorrow what is important, I'll let you know in this webinar. Okay. If you are first time here and you think that this can be useful to your friends, please feel free to share it with your friends. Who wants to join with us, you can join. And also, if you have any questions regarding to what I am telling here, and if you have any particular pair or instrument that you want me to analyze live, I'll be doing it live in front of you. If you just write that name in the chat box that is provided to you, it is live. You can write that chat in the chat box. Okay. And I'll also tell you that I will be answering the questions from the viewers. So please, if you have any question, feel free to ask the questions in the chat box. And if you have not smashed that like button yet, please press that like button which is below the video. It will help us in the YouTube algorithms. And before we begin, I must take you through the risk disclaimer. The risk disclaimer is a standard. It tells you everything, and above all, it also tells you that don't take my videos as a trading advice. You are responsible for your account losses and profits. So please take responsibility, do your own research. This video or this webinar should only be seen as a information video or like a training video rather than a trading video. Okay. So first things first, we'll start our journey through the dollar index. Dollar index is something that we want to see every day. We cannot stop doing it, because if we know where the dollar is going, maybe we can judge where other currencies are going to go. Okay. Now this is the daily chart of the dollar index. Here, current current price action, you can see from here the price action reversed, and thereafter it is only going higher and higher lows, higher highs, then higher lows, higher highs, and it is continued after that. Here the price showed us that okay, it is going to go down, but again it broke this high and then made this low. Although this low is not yet commissioned, or you can say this low is not yet approved, because for this to be approved, this has to be broken. So if this happens, then yes, this will be a valid low. But since this has not become a low, so what is the low now? The low is still here. So this price action submerges here, here, and here. So we have two crucial levels now On the upside it is 105.10, on the downside it is 102.84. so keep an eye on these two levels. If the price goes below 102.84, we should be selling this market, and if the price goes above 105.10, then this will be our next level of interest, this low. So this will become our next level of interest, although this is not now, so I am removing it. Okay, so you can say the dollar index is in an uptrend. Similarly, the euro is in a downtrend. Okay, until the time the price is actually trading below this 1.0945, it will be in a downtrend. When the price crosses higher than this, then we can say okay, the uptrend has started. Also, if the price crosses below 1.0686, then this high will be the downswing pivot. So if the price crosses here, then we'll be looking it as a reversal. But right now, since this is the appropriate low, high, that is 1.0945, so we are keeping an eye on this and also on this. These two levels are very important for us. Also, we know that this is a confluence of two resistances, so we are expecting a down move from here very fast. Let's see how the things unfold. But right now 1.0686 is the support and 1.0945 is the resistance for the euro dollar. Almost similar is the case for pound, although I am very bearish on the pound right now against the US dollar. 1.2445 is the immediate support, 1.2547 is the immediate resistance. Whenever you get an opportunity to go short this pair, please find that opportunity and you can target 1.2445 and 1.2368 and even 1.2307 in this market. Australian dollar is a bit expensive. It's going to be a bit expensive now. It seems like this hidden divergence is working out and the price is trying to go higher from here. But you see that the price has made this low, and before that the price had made this low and this high. So after this low, the price made this low, and between these two low, these are the highs that the price has made. So the price needs to break above these highs for us to give an assurance that yes, now the buyers are in control of the market. Till the time the buyers are not in control of the market, we cannot be buying this market. So even if the price rises from here, I am not going to buy the market. But yes, above 0.6521, I'll be looking for buying opportunity with the higher targets. Right now I am not buying this market, and maybe this market is headed for 0.6169, who knows. And this hidden divergence maybe, sorry, this divergence may be just to push the prices back to 0.6521 just to get sold. So if the price closes higher than 0.6521 and keeps going higher, then I'll be looking for a buying opportunity, otherwise no. So resistance for me right now is 0.6448. On the downside has support of 0.6356. So keep an eye on these two levels here. New Zealand dollar, just like the Australian dollar, is trying to gain some value, but I think it may go even further towards 0.5840. Right now for me, 0.5858 on my charts is the crucial level of support, and resistance is 0.6014, above which I'll be looking for a buying opportunity in the New Zealand dollar if the price is able to go beyond 0.6014 on the upside. US dollar against the yen is again, it has found some support now. Next target seems to be 148.84. On the downside, on the other hand, the support has gone below 145.90 now. Okay, the support is at around 145.90 and the resistance will be around 148.84. So keep an eye on these two levels. In fact, this low will be established only when the price breaks this high. So this low, we cannot say that now this is the resistance, but yes, this is the resistance. This will be a valid support when this high is broken. US dollar against Canadian, very fine music, boom 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 boom, and now 1.3488 is the support. If the price breaks that support, then the next level will be 1.3372, but I think that this level may hold and the price may reverse from here. Let's see how the things unfold here. The see that the price has made the indicator has made a new low, but the price has not made a new low. That means it is a hidden bullish divergence. So there is a high probability when the price reaches these areas here around 1.3500, it will find some support to push it back towards 1.3669 and maybe even higher. So let's see. USD CHF, it is a very steady growth here. I can see that this is a consolidation before next leg up. Next leg can go up to 9016, where it will find some resistance, and beyond that it can go to 0.9109. On the downside it can go up to 0.8744. Silver is going nowhere. In fact, on the 4 hour it went down and then it was bought back immediately. So there is a bullish engulfing on the 4 hour, almost bullish engulfing, not even. So I will say that this is a consolidation. We have an indecision forming here in the silver. We don't know which direction it is going, but if you look at the longer term time frame, then it is going to go down, only down. So the price made this reaction here. Now it may, sorry, imbalance here. Now this may, there may be some pullback and again sell off towards 22.21. Gold has actually very close to, gone very close to the target. Today it made an intraday low of 1907. We were expecting 1903, and if that 1903 is broken, then the next level will be 1884. So keep an eye on 1903 and 1930 level, which is the resistance and the support in the coming time. Brent, I am bullish on the Brent, and finally the price has reached 92.32. But guys, believe me that the price is about to reach 96.92. Okay, this is the resistance. You see this flagpole, and this flag has a breakout, and the result can extend towards 99.53. So keep an eye on these two levels. Now there is no resistance whatsoever, you can see. So yes, expect the Brent price to reach 96.92 and even 99.53 in the coming time. Bitcoin a breakdown, then a buyback, but yes, previous lows were not taken out. So I cannot say I'm bearish on this, but I'm not even bullish on this, because see, even on the higher sides there is a wick. So the price is just consolidating, but yes, this wick here is suggesting that lower prices, there are a lot of buyers here. You can see the volumes also. Now if I go to 2 hours, you will see that all this green candles had a lot of volume. So yes, there are buyers at the lower levels, but where is the price going? We cannot say anything. Similar is the case for Ethereum. The price went lower than the previous lows, but was bought back immediately, then found some resistance at the higher levels. So the price is just between these two levels. So 1621 and 1548 are the levels where the price is struggling, I will say. Euro New Zealand, in the longer run, I am a buyer in this market. Look at the bullish pin bar at the support. So at the lower levels, we have buyers around 1.8081. There are buyers in the euro, and the price may extend towards 0.8461. But I think in the shorter time frame, the price will break down and then bought back. So I will also keep an eye on this level here. In October, I will be looking for what I'm expecting is something like this. I'm expecting something like this now. Let's see which direction it takes, but this is more favorable because New Zealand dollar looks now bullish. If New Zealand dollar is bullish, then euro may fall even more in coming days. Talking about the euro, well, can you see this? This is the third time that euro has given you opportunity to go long in this, in that neckline. First test of the neckline, second test of the neckline, third test of the neckline. So you now expect the price to go towards 1.6893, and even if your analysis is wrong here, you are long, and say your stop loss gets triggered here, you are taking a good trade. And if your stop loss gets triggered, nothing wrong in it. Okay, you have a calculated risk. This is your risk. From here, your risk is going to be around 82 points, and your minimum target is going to be 160 points. So it is 1:2 clear risk to reward ratio. So resistance for this one is 1.6893, and support is this low of this particular candle. Yesterday we saw a very good, actually day before yesterday we saw a very good bullish pin bar on the support area in case of Australian dollar, and now the price has reached almost at the resistance level of 1.0896, although we are expecting 1.0923 also. Now if that is taken out, then the higher prices of 1.1052 is also possible in the Australian dollar against the New Zealand, which is very more likely now, because on the with the candles like this, there are higher volumes also. So yes, people are buying the Australian dollar now. Pound, I'm selling short the pound. I think we have already shorted the pound with the not here, but yes, now is the time for us to go short in the pound because the pound has started making lower highs, lower lows. So yes, below 1.9367 you should definitely look for selling this market with a target of 1.8850. On the high side, now expect resistance at around 1.9463, and later on expect some resistance at 1.9747 if the price rises from here, which I think will not happen now. Even if the price starts rising from here, it should be stopped by this channel. So I'm removing all that did not happen, and I'm expecting the price to behave like this now. So look at this. Okay, so this is possible. Now the price will be going back down from here. So my friends who are watching the webinar for maybe if they are not live right now, if my friend Peter and Benny, they all are watching me live now, you know that this is the trade that we were waiting for a long time. Okay, so any rise in this pound now should be seen as a selling opportunity. Okay, should be seen as a selling opportunity. The small stop loss higher and a take profit target first this, then this, and it can extend to this also, but it will take more than a year to reach there. So keep tightening your stop loss as you go up, go with this. But keep an eye that this may be a selling opportunity which can come before 20th of September this year. What about the US 30? Finally, a rise. Okay. So Dow Jones has started rising from here. Now this channel is broken. Thereafter, it is just taking some support here. 34680 is the crucial support now for the Dow, and the resistance should be between this falling channel's resistance area, I think now. Okay. But yes, there is a lot of hodgepodge. First it went higher, broke higher, then came down, then again dropped lower. It is going higher. So there's a lot of indecision forming up here, I think. Sorry. 35213 resistance, and now it should be coming to this area. You stop it, and if you stop that, stop this. So okay, these are the two crucial levels now, 35096 and 34024. These are the two crucial areas of support and resistance. CAD CHF, like I said, that it is forming that, but no trades on this. I won't want to trade on this because 0.6609 is the resistance. If that breaks, then maybe I will enter in the buy direction. GBP CAD, we were looking for the higher prices, but it finally broke down, and now we are looking for selling opportunity in this one with the lower targets like 1.6854 and maybe even 1.6690 in the coming time. US Tech, which is also known as Nasdaq, has a breakout from this channel and now is taking support here. 15,628 is the next level of resistance for this market. Yeah. So the next level is 15,628, and on the downside 15,138 is the support. RDJPY, I'm bullish on this one, okay, with the target of 95.06. Above 95.06, I'll be looking for 95.85, 96.82, and even 97.67, and even further towards 98.58. So I'm very bullish on the Australian dollar against Japanese yen. Next is GBP, Euro GBP. Higher than 0.8610 will open 0.8668, and on the lower side we have horizontal support around 0.8521. Now you can remove this and you can only focus on the levels, which is 0.8610. Above this you can focus on 0.8668. Here now the support is around 0.8521. That's all guys from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free, ask me that question, or if you have any pair that you want me to discuss live in front of you, please let me know. If you don't have any questions, I will just wrap up this session. I want this session to be interactive. But if you don't have questions, what can I do? All right, guys, like I always say, I hope now you know about the crucial levels of support and resistance that are of interest in coming hours and days. Just keep in mind, please look at it. Look at what? Clara, I have only got one question from you. Please look at it. Look at what? I have not got any message from you. There is only one message, that is, please look at it. Um, I have only one line received by you from you, that is, please look at it. What you want me to look at? I sent GBP JPY. I have not received anything. So have you sent the link to a chart? If you have sent any link to the chart, I will not be able to see that. Okay, GBP JPY, analyze it. All right. GBP JPY we can do, not a problem. What we have to do is, why it is not showing me GBP JPY? GBP JPY is one of my favorites. It's okay. GBP JPY. Oh, so this is 1 month on GBP JPY. You can see these are the previous highest levels around till 2015. Thereafter we have levels around 2008. Okay, and the lows that we want to check is these lows, that is around September 22, and the recent highs that we want to mark is, I mean, the upcoming highs are going to be 188.80. Now we switch to the weekly. It's simple, Clara, simple. They are the recent highs that the price has broken. Thereafter it has not seen these levels. Price on the weekly, from here, and it started making lower highs and lower lows. Started making lower highs, lower lows. Thereafter there was consolidation, moved higher, broke this low and broke this high, made a low, made a high, made a low, made a high, expect a low, and then expect a high. This is what I'm expecting. Now if I switch to daily, let me check on the daily. So this is a crucial level for us, because this is the low that the price had made before making this high. So yes, this becomes a very crucial level, 176 point, this whatever it is. And here you might be thinking that the price is making lower highs and lower lows. Yes, that may be a consolidation, or you have the next leg up. Possible, because in the weekly the price is in an uptrend, and if in weekly the price has to break down, then it has to go below this level. So till the time the price on the weekly is staying higher than this, and even if this consolidation can, they keep going like this, maybe boom 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 boom, when the buyers don't feel like, okay, now is the time for us to go long, This is possible. Well, this particular thing can happen here also, here also, here also. You never know when it is going to happen. I mean to say that this can be like this also. You never know. Okay, anywhere it can happen. It can happen anywhere like this. It can happen anywhere like this. Getting my point? I am saying that yes, this market on the daily is making somewhere lower highs and lower low, but rather than selling this market, which is in a very good bullish uptrend, don't sell this market, but wait for the buying opportunity. Okay, and you can wait for it at least till December maybe. If you're looking for 188, you may get a good opportunity. And if you're buying trading intraday, then go to 1 hour, and look for the price action whenever the downtrending move is cut. Like suppose this is a downtrending move, like this is a downtrending move. Okay, when you feel like okay this is broken, then you go long. Now like right now it is happening. And here if you feel like okay this is a downtrending move, so I will go long when this move is over like this. But since from few days on the 1 hour also you will see that it is going down down down, because from the few days it is going down. But yes, when it was going up, if you will trade like this, if you would trade like this, you will get many opportunities go long. Like this, look at this, like this, understood? And then you can get very good trades. So the point is wait for all this to be over. Now on 1 hour it will look something like this. On 1 hour it will look something like this. All right, maybe when it breaks down out from here, then only you look for a buy. So in my view, this is a buying market, but on the daily it is right now a selling market. I will not say it is a selling market, but I will say it is consolidating before the next leg up. So be patient enough. Okay, the pound is on the fall across the board, but the yen is also very weak. So pound is weak. When the pound starts getting bought, or you will say when the pound is out of this falling channel, then maybe you should be looking for a buying opportunity in the GBP JPY. I hope that answers your question. Okay, yes, she says thanks. Okay guys, so with this now I will end this live stream. Just keep in mind to only risk 1% or less of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 1700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.